Welcome back, y'all. D&E here, Cooking Classroom. I'm Dante.
I'm Ed.
And today we're actually going to do something very, very unique and delicious. We're going to do a mushroom cream sauce tossed in tagliatelle. Ed, will this be your first time making this delicious meal with me?
Yeah, I don't even know what tagliatelle is, if I even said that right. I mean, I know I like pasta, but man, I try to eat low carb, so I don't eat a pasta all that often, so I'm looking forward to it.
It's going to be delicious. We'll catch you in a few. All right, y'all. We got our wonderful shallots, garlic, butter mushrooms, and one of my favorite, these shiitake mushrooms. The shiitake mushroom, something they grow out of East Asia, has a lot of flavors, great for cooking. So the first item that we're going to do today, we're actually going to toss the shallots and the garlic into the pan, which I have over here on a medium-high temperature. We're going to allow that to simmer, get that beautiful fragrance, and then we'll toss in the mushrooms. We'll actually let the mushrooms cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until a nice reduction, and then we'll toss in the rest of the ingredients. All right, y'all. I'm putting in the garlic and the shallots. Nice sweet smell. Also, while we have the garlic and the shallots on the skillet, we also put in a pot of water, about 3/4 of a saucepan, full with a little sea salt as well as olive oil. We put that on a medium temperature to get that going for the pasta. We're gonna go ahead and finish this up with the garlic and the shallots. Smells delicious. Once you get that nice pure fragrance, we're gonna actually toss in the mushrooms. I have the butter mushrooms here, and the shiitake. I'm gonna put it on more of a medium temperature, and you're gonna allow all the juices in this to reduce. So this might take about 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll see all the juice. So right now it looks nice and dry. Don't worry about putting any liquid or anything like that. Just allow it to reduce down. Put on about a medium temperature on your skillet.
Now that the mushrooms have been reduced down and cooked real well, along with the shallots and garlic, it's time to add in a couple things. So we got our vegetable broth. You want to put about a full cup in there. And then to add some additional flavor, we've got some mushroom broth. And then we're going to mix it up. I should say that's mushroom stock, not broth. So now it's been about 5 minutes. The reduction's coming along. Still got about another 5 minutes, but this is where we want to add in additional flavors so that it reduces down as the liquids dry out. So first of all, we're going to add to taste some salt, some pepper, and this helps also counteract what we're about to add in, our heavy whipping cream. We're going to add in a full pint to get that sweet taste in there. And start mixing it in. Make sure you get it nice and homogeneous. And you got another about 5 minutes for this to reduce all the way down.
Got mushroom cream sauce here coming together. We're gonna actually get a little taste. It's come together quite nice. You give about 5 to 10 minutes of reduction. As it's getting ready to reduce down, we'll get ready to add our Parmesan. And then one of my favorite, tagliatelle pasta. You can use anything from fettuccine to spaghetti, but I like the tagliatelle. It's fancy. You know, you got a date night, got a young lady. For me, as a young lady, you know, I get that tagliatelle pasta with the Parmesan. You know, just make it a special night. We're gonna toss in the pasta. I usually do the full nest. That's gonna take about 8 to 10 minutes. And then we're only gonna toss in about half of your parm. You can use shredded, grated Parmesan cheese. Doesn't matter. But you're gonna put it more on a low temperature for the cheeses to melt in and reduce. And this should take about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll toss everything together. We got this beautiful mushroom cream sauce, and that's perfection. We always strain our noodles. Got that tagliatelle. Actually, I do a full toss into the sauce here with the noodles. Now with the mushroom cream, you can toss some shrimp, steak. Actually, for Mother's Day this past year, I actually made this for my mom, and I had some garlic butter shrimp, and I had a wonderful New York strip prepared for her. It was so good. It was delicious.
I imagine something blackened might be really good with this. Some Cajun might complement the sweetness of the sauce.
Yes. And y'all top it off with a little bit more Parmesan. Have Alvin in the background. He wants some, but guess what?
Cats don't get pasta.
This is our technique, no technique. Make sure you hit the like button, comment, and hit subscribe, and hit the notification for the new videos.